Nokia will do actually better than expected in 2021, and in my opinion this is definitely a buy if you believe in 5G niche. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ilya, and before we start, everybody knows we really gotta click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me out guys and help our community grow. Nokia has been on the radars all 2021. It's been a crazy journey for Nokia stock because years ago, Nokia was a cellular company. We were making cell phones. We were selling a lot of cell phones. Now Nokia went down a lot with a market capitalization around $20 billion. It's way undervalued, and in a 5G niche, Nokia actually taking a huge chunk of the market. And 5G niche is booming, and from 2021 to 2025, the 5G niche will grow more than 30%. So now let's talk about latest news on the Nokia stock. I've been holding Nokia for a quite while right now, and I did tell to people that Nokia is not a short-term gainer, it's a long-term player. It's a marathon runner, and we will see some good gains on the 5-year period. Now let's talk about latest news. Nokia said that they will trim 10,000 jobs in the next 2 years. And this is a great news. Yes, of course, when people are fired from their jobs, especially during Corona, it's always a bad news. But for the company, cutting down 10,000 jobs, that's good news. Nokia will become a more financially efficient. And right now, everything is about efficient, especially with coronavirus. It's a good sign for Nokia, because they will actually analyze their financials, they will stop losing money, they will save more money, their cash flow will be better, and they will have more cash on hand. And this is all good signs, and we'll go to their spreadsheets. And like I said before, Nokia and Ericsson's on the spreadsheets, they're kind of the same, but Ericsson's actually market capitalization is around $40 billion and Nokia's market capitalization around $20 billion. It's totally unfair, but I do believe that Nokia can do much better in this coming year. And we'll talk about some latest partnerships with Nokia, and you will be surprised, because I was surprised. By 2023, Nokia is about to reduce their cost for 600 million euros. And that's a lot of money. So it's almost $1 billion in the cost of operation. And then 10,000 job position will help them out, will help them cut that cost. And this is a good long-term investment program in Nokia stock. And now let's talk about some great news. When you hear about some recent deals for the company, you'll be like, that's a no-brainer, a buy right now. Because when the company actually teams up with Amazon, Google, or Microsoft, one of these great companies, they're unicorns of the tech business, the company's future is definitely great. And guess what? Nokia partnered with all of them. Oh yeah, Nokia partnered with Amazon, AWS, with Google Cloud, and with Microsoft. 3 very great partnerships for Nokia, and they're gonna work on the Nokia online radio, on cloud radio. For right now, nobody disclosed their money part, so we don't know how much money this partnership will bring to Nokia, but we all know if somebody is partnering with Amazon, it's already a good deal for that company. Especially Amazon is such a huge company, and they actually working everywhere around the world, and their AWS are actually powering up half of the internet, plus another half of the internet is powered up by Google and Microsoft, and Nokia gained the partnership with all of these companies. And we're looking for some great potential for Nokia to gain new markets, to release new software, and to work closely with these companies for a future. I'm not sure what exactly they're going to do with cloud-based radio from Nokia. We will see. Right now they're going to test them out, they're going to try to verify, and we're going to try to implement and introduce the Nokia's cloud radio to Amazon services, to Google Clouds, and to Microsoft services. But this is a great opportunity to Nokia to invest and actually scale their radio and scale their products. As we all know, if Amazon partnered with Nokia on one thing, maybe in a close future we're going to take something else from Nokia. And this is a great news because such a big partnership with such a huge company will definitely bring some positive flow for Nokia stock, and that's exactly what Nokia CEO said during their Q4 earnings. They said that 2021 will be a transitional year, and as we can see, it is a transition year. Nokia is partnering with so many companies, and Huawei and ZTE, the huge 5G companies from China, actually helping Nokia out because everybody is banning them. And when everybody is banning one of the biggest players right there, Nokia will have such a big chunk of their contracts around the world. So hopefully Nokia will see some great deals on that part as well. But dealing with Amazon, Google Cloud, and Microsoft sounds like a great news for me and for Nokia company in general. And the last news, but not least, Nokia partnered with Orange Telecom company. Orange is one of the biggest cellular companies in the world. They're in top 10 biggest companies in the world and number 4 in Europe. Orange operating in Europe, in Middle East, in Africa, and some parts of Asia. So this company is a really huge unicorn of telecommunication companies. And guess what? Nokia just gained a deal with Orange. They didn't disclose money. Of course, nobody disclosing money and how much we're gonna pay for this. But Nokia been working with Orange for a while by building their 3G, 4G, and now they're gonna build 5G. And the best part of this is that Orange hired Nokia to build 5G everywhere around the world. And another part is that doesn't matter what companies Orange used to use before to build their towers, to build their systems, Nokia will be able to operate and will be able to upgrade all of them. So we are talking about billions. We're talking about billions of dollars flowing straight in the Nokia, and that's exactly what we want to see for such a huge 5G company that's been undervalued. And Orange is just one of the big companies that partnered with Nokia and Amazon and Google and Microsoft and T-Mobile. So we're looking for something crazy. 2021 will be definitely a good year for Nokia. And right now, if before you thought that Nokia is probably a stock that's not gonna fly because they kind of missed the 5G niche in the beginning, but right now with all this partnership, with their cloud radios, with their upgrades for 5G niche everywhere in Europe, in North America, in Asia, this is something great, and we will see that by the end of 2021, Nokia probably going to be a really good set company for the future, and they can actually keep up with other companies in the 5G niche, even though they lost the beginning of a 5G revolution. Like I said, the last week we actually got so many great news. Nokia partnered with Samsung, with Amazon, Google, Microsoft, now Orange. And don't forget, Nokia has more than 20,000 patents, and they have more than 2,000 patents that are essential for 5G. And 5G is here, and 5G is booming, and 5G is just about to start. Not even 20% of the sellers have 5G. Just go into big cities, yes, you will have 5G, but literally 2 miles away from the big towns and you don't have 5G, or it doesn't work at all. So we're gonna see some long-term partnerships with huge companies for 5G building niche, and this is a great news for the company, and hopefully we'll see some really good price points this year. Hopefully Nokia, if not double the market capitalization in 2021, at least it will go up for $10 billion, because Nokia at this point with all this partnership has to be at the same point with Ericsson. So hopefully by cutting their cost, by increasing their margins, they can keep up with Ericsson, and in a short future, 1-2 years, they can actually outbeat and outperform Ericsson and be one of the biggest 5G players right there. That's it, guys, for today. Thanks for watching me. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we'll see you soon. And comment down below if you believe in Nokia's future. Take care.